Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get terminal like Linux in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, open any web browser and go to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. So once you log into this website, you can see here the application name as Scoop, a command line installer from Windows. So scroll down below, you can see how to install in a seconds. So here is a command. You may get confused how to set it up, and you can see here. So I will make it the simplified manner. So I'll be providing this simplified commands too in the video descriptions on how to install the Scoop applications. So what you need to do, just minimize this window. Now right click on this start menu and select this Windows PowerShell. Now on your Windows PowerShell, you need to type some commands to install Scoop in your Windows computer. So I'll be providing these commands in the video description too to make installing Scoop easier way for you. So you copy this first line and paste it here. After pasting it, hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it's asking to install or not. Press shift and Y, that is yes, and hit enter. In my case, Scoop is already installed, so in your case, if you're installing Scoop for the first time, it will proceed more and it will show you Scoop is being installed. So in the second step, what you need to do is now you need to download Scoop by using this command. Now just paste it. Now hit enter. Wait for a few seconds until the processing gets complete. So you can see I'm getting some red color as in my case Scoop has been installed. So in your case it might be successful and installed, as in my case already installed. So after successful installation of the Scoop, what you need to do, let's check out whether we can install some applications or not. Say I will try to install this and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see here Scoop uses Git to update itself. Run Scoop install Git and try again. So here Scoop's update call to install a new version. So you can see here I have already installed a Scoop install curl, as I'm already installed Scoop and using Scoop before only. So in your case it might be installing. So in my case it's saying use Scoop update curl to install the newest version. So I will try this command too. So Scoop uses Git to update itself. So runs Scoop install Git. So it's telling me to install this Git. So let's install this. So it's showing now. You can see here installations. So wait for a few seconds until the processing gets complete. Now you can see here the percentage that is downloading the file. It is of 41.1 MB. So portable Git is being downloading now. So wait for a few seconds until the processing gets completely done. So finally, you can see here a program has been installed using this scoop command. So you can see here git was installed successful. So we'll try to install some more applications using this scoop. So I'll try to install one application named as Scrippy, which is a screen mirroring app. So I will type scoop space install Scrippy and hit enter. So it's showing updating scoop. So we'll wait for a few seconds. So you can see here the main bucket was added successfully. So Scrippy is already installed. So it's saying that it's already installed. So you can see here to update scoop, update Scrippy. So we'll try to update using this command. So we'll be trying to update this application right now using this scoop update Scrippy. So it's showing downloading new version. So you can see here downloading started. So in my opinion, it's really like a terminal that is commonly seen in Linux. So this scoop will enable and make the PowerShell as a terminal for Windows like the terminal for Linux. So in this way you can install scoop and download various applications like the terminal in Linux. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this out. And if you find any difficulty using this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.